Hello everyone, back again with L. In this video, we will learn speaking for amateurs. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Controlling between theory and practice. Even though controlling as a term dates from the Middle Ages, it was accepted by Americans in the 18th century when a clerk who was responsible for keeping the balance of government budget appears with an official title called comptroller. In 1970 in Europe, German-speaking countries accept controlling as a more serious topic of conversation. Controlling can be described as a navigation process toward set goals of an enterprise or as an economic consciousness of an enterprise. In German-speaking countries, the academic public became interested in the controlling right after it was proven to be an effective tool practical. The aim of this article was to consider the practical applicability and benefit of implementing controlling primarily in business practice with special emphasis on the development of controlling as a scientific discipline and its practical application in business practice. Based on the theoretical and practical experience in this application of controlling, it can be said that the demand for the service of controlling is higher in time of crisis such as the time in which we live. There is an increasing number of people who want to learn more about controlling. So it can be said that the current global economic crisis is directly associated with the growth interest in service of controlling at the global market. The main task of controlling is to serve management as some sort of economic navigation, ensuring that the ship of the company achieve the target profits.
Bener sih.
In order to accomplish the above tasks, the control must make sure to have an organizational and other assistance from the management. Controlling as a scientific discipline has been established in German-speaking countries, primarily in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. Based on the research, we have seen that controlling as a scientific discipline is taught at over 130 chairs in these countries, and that over the period of 3 decades of academic studies, this institution it has been established academic discipline. Serbia still hesitates to talk about controlling both in business practice as well as specific institution. History of controlling. The origin of controlling dates from the Middle Ages, when the French controls appear under the name of contrôleur or
Bener sih.
counter-roller. Written document about the usage of the name date from the 15th century. In that time, at the English royal court, the first employment under the name controller appeared. The main tasks were to register the input and output of money used for flow of goods. At the end of the 18th century, the American Congress set up legal grounds for the introduction of controllers in public service. Controller has tasked to keep balance between the government budget and the use of government resources. Controlling is the navigation process toward economic goals where managing definition of position are performed according to established order and plans monitoring. Second, brief description of the notion of controlling. Controlling is one of the most important functions whose task is solving the scientific problems arising when adjusting the enterprises to the upcoming internal and external changes. The task of functional controlling is taking account of the transparency of income costs and the result achieved, which is a prerequisite for managing the company successfully. In the US and the developed European countries, controlling has been present and defined in theory, but also implemented practice. For a long time, the situation in our literature and practice is very different. Controlling rarely appears as an independent business function, and even after several decades of its application, a large number of companies are lacking controlling function in their organizational structure or have failed to understand all benefit it brings as a modern instrument of business management. Ambiguities about the concept of controlling arises from the translation of the word controlling, because the interpretation of the word itself refers to control, which often leads to misconception and superficial interpretation. To understand the concept of controlling, it's very important to understand the relationship of controlling and the other close related function. Controlling very closely cooperates with functions such as accounting, finance, internal control, and internal audit. In modern enterprises, the function of accounting consists of three sub-functions, like bookkeeping, accounting planning, and accounting control. Controlling is related to all these sub-functions. Bookkeeping refers to the past. It collects and documents data from the past and provide reliable information. Controlling is a future-oriented function, but the data it needs as the starting information about the present situation it obtains from the accounting function. Controlling is a function that transforms the accounting data for the needs of management. The second sub-function is accounting planning, which is under the influence. The last sub-function is accounting control. Is controlling directs this function and use its results. Finance in today's environment are oriented to the preservation of equity and financial stability, with controlling being the function that examines and analyzes the financial affairs. The purpose of controlling is increasing vitality of enterprises, enabling it to adjust to internal and external changes. Controlling as a scientific discipline. Although controlling is a long-term accepted function in practice, the question of whether controlling is a scientific discipline still remains controversial. Is controlling only a set of skills, or has it already set foot in the field of science? In order to define controlling as a scientific discipline, it's necessary to examine the appropriateness and effectiveness of individual solutions and identify those which could represent a pillar of controlling activity as a scientific discipline and generally accepted practice. Argument that controlling can be a scientific discipline can be found in the fact that this is an information activity intended for decision making. Controlling practice, which is used controlling skills for centuries, has been struggling to finally raise controlling to the level of a scientific discipline. Despite the high level of development already reached in practice, academic circles were hesitant to recognize it as a scientific discipline. The study of binder Schafer revealed that in 2004, 72 faculty maintained controlling department out of 92 faculties in business administration. In addition, there were also some aspects of controlling that were covered by other departments. Based on the analysis of this result, it has been concluded that only 50% of 72 departments refer to the pure controlling, while the remaining 85% is associated with other areas. Controlling can be associated with very different aspects. Controlling is mostly associated with accounting and auditing. The development of controlling as a scientific discipline and its application at German-speaking universities began in 1973 when P. Hofert established a new controlling department at the Technical University of Darmstadt. However, in the end of 1980, the development of controlling as a scientific discipline is going very slowly. Afterwards, the situation begins to change quickly. In few years, 14 controlling departments were formed in East Germany, and while in West Germany, the number has reached as many as 41. This increase and changes in application of control as a scientific discipline are largely associated with the development of controlling in practice. From all the above, we can conclude that the concept of controlling and its studies as a scientific discipline have changed throughout history. But this development is far from being over. What is anticipated and what is today the most discussed topic in circles of experts in the field of controlling is the large influence of information technology on controlling. But now and in the future, as a result, controllers will be facing new requirements which will be based on increasingly efficient collection, more detailed and updated analysis of information, and making more precise, faster, and accurate decisions. It should be clear that controller skills will be highly appreciated in the future. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Iya. Benar sih. Kan iya.
Subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video.